Hi, everyone. This is your contact center coach here to talk about how to improve one of the most important components of soft skills, empathy. I'll also be giving you 5 great tips you can use to improve those skills and put them to use right away. This video lesson is brought to you by BenchmarkPortal, the source for contact center training, certification, benchmarking, and consulting services. If this is your first time on this channel, thanks for stopping by. If you like this video, please subscribe and hit the like button below to keep getting more helpful videos just like this. So, let's get started. In our first video in this series about soft skills, we define them as skills that are not measurable, like vocal quality, attitude, or effective questioning. They're skills that can make you a world-class performer in how you handle calls and how you interact with others. In this lesson, we're just going to focus on one soft skill that can make you a superstar: empathy. Empathy is putting yourself into someone else's shoes, in this case, your customer's shoes. How would you feel in the same situation? How would you respond if you were the customer calling you? Empathy is really an attitude of putting yourself in the same situation as the caller. So get your mind right. Make sure your mindset is trying to empathize with the reason that person is calling you for help. No question that a positive tone of voice makes callers feel comfortable. It may sound cliche, but a smile can be heard over the phone, making the conversation positive and promoting a friendly exchange. When you speak, try to match the speed of the caller. Anything faster can make it hard for them to understand you, while anything slower may give the impression that you're confused or wasting their time. Also, a high-pitched voice can make you sound immature, and a pitch that's too low can sound gruff. So find a middle ground, varying your inflection to sound natural and interested. A monotone voice just sounds boring and unenthusiastic, and that can be a game changer. From the greeting, be sincere and genuine. Saying all the right things but being insincere is something people can hear. That makes you sound phony, making it uncomfortable for them and harder for you to build trust. Using sincerity and positivity may also keep calls from escalating, because it's just a lot harder to be angry with someone who's nice. So, be yourself. Be your best professional self at all times. That will put points on the board for you with your customers. Words do make a difference, so choose positive ones. Avoid phrases like, "I can't do that," or "you'll have to." Those words are sure to draw a technical foul. Instead, use positive statements like, "Here's what I can do for you," or "Here's what I recommend." Those words have the same meaning, but present a more positive message to callers. If you do have to provide a negative answer, for example, in denying a claim, do it calmly and politely, avoiding negative words, and keep in mind what it would sound like to you if you were in the customer's shoes. Taking the time to do that right can keep you out of the penalty box. Question of the day: what tips or strategies do you use to show empathy to callers over the phone? Let us know in the comments section below. We'd love to connect with you there. And others in this community can have some of the best tips, strategies, and advice. So definitely connect with the community in the comments below. So thanks for checking out this video. Please subscribe so you can get more videos just like this. And don't forget that we have more great online training programs you can find through the link in the description below. If you have any ideas for future videos or things you'd like to see, also let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear your ideas on topics you want to learn more about.